Hi, my name is Tommy, and like you, I also am tired of hearing about the same products over and over again. So I took it upon myself to find the craziest, most amazing products you might ever see. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another episode of Unboxing Everything. Episode. Today we're gonna be unboxing a product you might know about, but I just wanted to unbox it. So here it is. Without further ado, the iRobot Roomba, the model 675. Why this one? Because it's a great price and also has basically the best reviews out there. So I was looking for one. I got this one. So let's open it up. Okay. Here we have the instructions. The iRobot. Let's take this out. Here we go. It's really heavy. I wasn't expecting anything, but it's actually heavy. Comes with a filter. Comes with a home base. And the power cable. That's it. That's all it comes with. That's all there is in the box. Okay. Oh, okay. It already has a filter on it. Perfect. So we'll leave this for another day. So this is it. It comes with a handle. This is a sensor for detecting where the home base is. That's basically it. This one has Wi-Fi, so you can connect it with the app, and that's basically it. Okay. This is for the battery. Let's take it out. And I'll start using it right away. And I'll let you know what I think about it. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.